Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries with chocolate syrup, easy method. Start by rinsing and drying fresh strawberries, then line a tray with parchment. Warm chocolate syrup briefly so it flows, and stir gently to smooth consistency. Hold each berry by the stem and dip, turning to coat evenly. Let excess drip off, place on the tray, and chill until set for a glossy finish. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries with chocolate syrup, easy method. Prepare strawberries by washing and thoroughly drying them, then arrange tools within reach. Pour chocolate syrup into a shallow bowl and warm briefly to loosen it if thick, then stir until smooth and pourable. Keep a towel handy for any drips, and pre-chill the tray so the coating firms faster after dipping and looks professional. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries with chocolate syrup, easy method. For best results, hold each strawberry by the stem and dip straight down, twisting as you lift to cover evenly. Tap gently on the bowl rim to remove extra syrup and set berries on parchment without crowding. If you want a decorative touch, add sprinkles or a contrasting drizzle while the coating is still tacky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.